Welcome everyone. I don't have my partner here with me today, Joseph Levy, but wow, again, another day of incredible calls here at 9 a.m. for our VIPs on 9 a.m. market show, pre-market show. Just unbelievable. Let's just go through all the accurate calls this morning. I'm not sure that we got anything wrong, except Tesla's like below 270. Maybe that's the only thing. Unbelievable. First of all, PSQH, we gave it to you at $10 and 50 cents a couple days ago with the goal to sell this morning. All right, so we're basically all out at this point. I'm not sure what our average sell price was. It's probably around $20, $21, $22, something like that. It's now looking like a potential to be another DWAC. Unbelievable. If you remember, DWAC on day one after the announcement was made about the merger with Truth Social went to $30. Day two went to $175. I'm not saying that's going to happen here. I don't have that expectation. We're all out except for like 100 shares right now, and that was a big winner. Unbelievable. Now, this morning, the story of the day, the top thing we talked to you about, the thing that stood out was TSM earnings and how TSM earnings can spark a market correction. So what were our top picks this morning? RELL short, Soxel short. So TSM, we gave it to you on the show when it was over $100 at 9 a.m. And we gave you a target of 98.50. It hit that target. So now that it hit that target, made a quick 2% with us on the pre-market show. What's next? The next target here is, let's see. It's a 20-week moving average at about $94.85. That's the next target on TSM. So what else? We gave you RELL. Now, RELL hasn't worked out. I thought we did short RELL, and it spiked down in the morning to 1276. I was looking for 11. I was looking for a spike down to 11. It didn't happen. Now, 1372 is a key level. You can see that technical level on the chart right here, 1372. Where is it actually? You got to go back. You got to go back to this year chart right there, the bottom of this candle, 1372. It's fighting to hold on to it. If it breaks below 1372, I still think you can get 11. I listened to the conference call. Those of you who are VIPs at StoryTrading, you got the details about what I think about this conference call. Last night, by the way, we covered the earnings of Tesla, NVIDIA, Tesla, Netflix, IBM, and RELL in detail on our interactive Zoom. We do every Wednesday for our VIPs. We do a Zoom every Wednesday at 4 p.m., and we covered in depth the earnings on all of those. So what else? XXII, we gave that to you this morning and yesterday. We said, look, this breaks 294. Your target is the 20-day moving average. Look at this. It broke 294. 20-day moving average about 386, up 25% today on a day like today. Unbelievable. All right. You want these entries? Then you join us at storytrading.com/app. You become a VIP and you can get these exclusive entries on a day like today. This is just unbelievable. We told you this morning, Overstock had relative strength, and that's outperforming. That's doing well. This is one of our big swing positions. Tesla underperforming. I thought it would hold the 20 DMA. It's not right now. So that's a disappointment. We're down on here. 267. I don't know what to make of this, man. Meaning, how low can this go? I don't like losing the 20 DMA. All right. I'd like to see this close above the 20 DMA. If we close below the 20 DMA, there could be more trouble, but I continue to like it long term. We gave that analysis last night and this morning. Netflix, I'm not making any kind of moves on that. I said pretty much it's kind of good where it is. Look, 20-day also, but I wasn't playing this. All right, I told you why. I gave you the updates on that this morning. IBM, however, this morning we gave you IBM. We said this stood out of those 3 earnings reports: Tesla, Netflix, and IBM. I said IBM has the best report. Look for optionality upside on the strength of a Watson AI. So this is making a move up 3%. Where do you get this? How do you find the stock that's overperforming? Look at this. If you got into IBM on the pre-market show, you'd be up 3%. All right. Unbelievable. Okay. It's at a near breakout level at 140. If it breaks that 140, could go a bit higher, but we're in IBM. So glad to have that 3% move. Then we talked about the airline earnings, and we talked about UAL and AAL and how UAL was good earnings. We did a calculation for you. We said based on the earnings beat, you could see a 7% move in UAL. Unfortunately, I didn't play this one. But look how this is coming to fruition on a day like this, up 4.5%. I mean, it's a bloodbath everywhere. And those of you who are Story Trading VIP members can be a testament to the fact that the things we talked about this morning that stood out for us were indeed IBM, overstock relative strength, the XXII thesis, which is reaching now, coming up on that first target, like in the 360s to 380 level. It's coming up on that target. All right. These were the top ones. And short TSM, short SOXL. Again, we've been long PSQH. There's been a few things like in our long-term holdings not working out, right? Like we own a lot of these stocks here long-term. Plug, you have a lot of these. All right. Palantir, we got big positions in a lot of these, so we're feeling the pain along with everyone else in our long-term portfolio. But the day-to-day stuff and the analysis we made for the day, the predictions we made for the day, it's day after day after day of uncannily accurate predictions. In fact, it's so accurate, sometimes I have to wonder, why do we even have long-term stocks? We should just trade our morning show ideas because it's just an unbelievable, uncannily accurate track record. So make this part of your day. Make this part of your investment and how you invest. Look, it's Story Trading. We're not just technical traders. We're not just fundamental investors. We're looking at things holistically through a multidisciplinary approach of technical, sentiment, catalysts, and fundamentals. I could do this with 25 years of experience. We put it all together, and that's how we come up with our theses. And it's just unbelievable how accurate it is. I look at this every day in awe, and I'm like, I can't believe I did it again. And it's harder to execute, though. It absolutely is harder to execute because we're like mostly long portfolio, right? We're trading, about maybe 20% of the money. But I look at this every day. I'm like, man, maybe 100% of money should be trading because these calls are absolutely ridiculous. So if you want to be part of this and you want to get an edge in your portfolio, join us every single morning at 9 a.m. Eastern. There's a free trial available. Just go to storytrading.com/app. I'm looking at XXII out of the corner of my eye. Let's see. We added to this on the 290. Zoom in. Let's zoom into XXII. And by the way, why would he even do this? Because also we're looking at the catalyst. This has been on our radar, and we flagged this for our community with all of the press releases they have recently, the big rollout they've had for their VLN cigarettes, okay? That's why it was even on our radar. Hold on. Let's zoom in. That's why it was even on our radar. And then I don't like this view. Hold on. Frequency. Let's go to... It's tough to see this. Okay, I might have to go to my desktop, but it's right there. That 20 DMA, it's the top of this Kindle as well. Let's see. The top of that Kindle is 365. Okay, so that's the first target. It hit 353. So 365, and then the 20 DMA at $4, $3.90, something like that. So this has given us some relief today. PSQH, XXII, giving us some relief today. IBM, giving us some relief today, making our returns better than they otherwise would have been. So that's that. We'll see you tomorrow morning at 9 a.m. Eastern so you can get a trading edge. Just make sure you go to StoryTrading.com app. You sign up for our app. You get the free trial, and we'll see you tomorrow morning. Thank you so much.